Happy New Year, guys! So, how's your 2026 so far? I'm seeing everyone buzzing with some insane resolution energy. Gym memberships are peaking, and everyone's flexing their resolution selfies with the hashtag New Year, New Me, with weight loss goals everywhere. But you know what will crash that motivation by February? The same excuses. It's too cold to exercise. I'm craving gajar ka halwa. My body needs extra warmth. That's why I'm eating more. Sound familiar? But this winter, we are not making excuses. This winter, we are losing weight. You might be thinking, winter causes weight gain. But what if I told you that winter is actually the best time to lose weight? That your body has a hidden calorie burning system that only activates in cold weather. While everyone else believes winter will make them gain weight, you can be the one moving closer to your dream body. In September 2025, Washington University published groundbreaking research showing how cold weather activates something called brown fat, a special type of fat that burns extra calories every day and supports weight loss. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to use winter to your advantage, and I'm revealing the one mistake 90% of women make that completely shuts down this fat-burning system. So stay with me and subscribe if you haven't already. We post weekly health updates here. Now let's talk about what really happens in winter. You stop exercising, you stay inside wrapped in blankets, you drink chai with sugary biscuits again and again. You eat fried food because it's too cold outside. Then March comes and you look in the mirror and say, "Oh no, winters made me fat." No, winters didn't do anything. Your choices did. Biologically, your body is actually more capable of losing fat in winter, not less, more. But what do we do instead? We overheat our rooms, we stop moving, we eat comfort food non-stop. It's like owning a Ferrari and driving it in first gear. So now, let me show you how to shift into high gear. You have two types of fat in your body. White fat, the fat that stores energy, belly fat, thigh fat, the fat you want to lose, and then there's brown fat, fat that burns energy to produce heat. This is the fat that helps you lose weight. And do you know what activates brown fat? Cold temperatures. That study I mentioned, it discovered a protein called ACOX2, a kind of backup heater in your brown fat. When cold activates it, your brown fat literally gets hotter and burns more calories. Mice with higher ACOX2 levels had better insulin sensitivity, better cold tolerance, and were protected from obesity, even on high-fat diets. Harvard researchers also found another trigger, a protein called TVRP1 that helps create more brown fat cells when exposed to cold. What does this mean for you? Winter is literally activating your body's natural fat-burning system. But before you run to take an ice bath, stop. Let me save you from the mistake I made. I tried cold plunges. My cortisol spiked. I felt worse, not better. Cold plunges are not for everyone. And if you're already stressed, you're doing more harm than good. So forget extremes. I'm about to show you the gentle protocol that actually works, starting with the biggest mistake keeping you stuck: eating like it's still summer. Raw salads, low-fat everything. Your body is freezing outside, right? Of course it's craving warmth, real nourishment from the inside. Cold activates brown fat. That's why morning walks feel amazing. But eating cold, raw foods? No. It messes with digestion. Your body wastes energy just warming the food. Your metabolism slows. So here's the smart move. Let the cold environment activate brown fat, but warm your body with nourishing, easy to digest foods. Make sense? Think Indian winter superfoods. Bone broth or dal soups with little ghee, sautéed greens like sarson ka saag, methi or batua in ghee or coconut oil, warming spices, ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper, even as morning detox drinks, soaked nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, sesame seeds or pumpkin seeds. and healthy fats like desi ghee, butter, or coconut oil. Now, the real hack is if you love ghee on your saag, it adds calories, sure, but keeps you toasty and full for another 2 to 3 hours. So, it's a smart choice to just cut back, have one roti instead of two. See, fat lowers ghrelin, your hunger hormone, and reduces cravings way better than carbs. So, people think fat makes you fat, but no, it's what keeps you satisfied for longer. Same with dal or anything ghee heavy. If you are boosting the fat, you need to drop the carbs, because if you take high fat and high carbs, both, that's weight gain. So we structure meal plans this way: warm, filling, and smart for winter. When your body feels safe and nourished, it lets go of fat instead of holding on tight. So now it's time for an actual meal plan. Take a screenshot and you will be sorted for this winter. Your digestion is strongest in winter. Use it. Now this was about meals. Apart from the diet, the thing that you need to take care of is your movement. I know you will say, Palak, it's so cold outside. Exactly. That's the excuse talking. When you move in cool temperatures, and no, I'm not talking about intense workouts, you can actually just start with a simple 30-minute walk outside, preferably in the morning. It will let your body work to stay warm and thus will burn calories. Or just simply aim to complete your 10 to 12,000 steps every day. Take walking meetings in the office, or a 15-minute walk after every meal, or a morning or evening walk. And it's a hack, guys. Move when you're semi-fasted before your bigger meals. That's when your body pulls from fat stores. So guys, winters are giving you some advantages that summer doesn't. So here's your choice. You can close this video, wrap yourself in a blanket, and tell yourself, I'll start when the weather is less cool. Start saying, winter is my transformation season, and I'm using winter to prepare for my summer body. So comment below and tell me how much weight you want to lose. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this and would become your companion in losing weight this season. Now go, transform, make this your winter. Take care, I'll see you in the next video.